Hi, can you play Bad Bunny? Can you play Bad Bunny? No. Not on my watch.
Mami, ¿qué tú quieres? Aquí llegó tu tiburón. Yo quiero perrearte y fumarme un blon. Ver lo que esconde ese pantalón. Yo quiero perrearte y perrearte y perrear. Yo quiero perrearte y fumarme.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna skip the part where I say that I've been gone for a really long time and just be here in the present and say hello you guys. How are you guys? Hopefully you guys are doing great. Hopefully your Thanksgiving was everything that you expected. My Thanksgiving was very chill. Actually, I told my mom that I didn't really want anyone at the house this year. I was like, I don't want to do anything. I don't want to throw anything. I don't want to decorate anything. I don't want to do anything. I just want to sit at the house and just watch movies and eat, and that's all I want to do for this year. For this video, obviously you already know what it's all about. So if you're still watching this video, that means that you're a huge fan of Bad Bunny. The reason that I came up with this idea was because I really didn't know what to film, and I think that I was watching the Olympics, specifically like the Mexican soccer game. Don't ask me why I was watching soccer at that point. Like, COVID really messed me up. So me watching soccer
I don't know who this man is. Sorry to this man.
That's so random, but I was watching it and then a commercial came out and Bad Bunny was in it. And then I was like, oh yeah, like how come I don't throw a Bad Bunny party? Like I feel like no one has done it. So I really got inspired by Bad Bunny, and I mean, how can I not be inspired by the man that I listen to every day?
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
I just love everything about him. He's very out there and he's not scared to say what he's gonna say. And more than anything, I just really love his music and just his personality. I think that he's like a really nice and amazing goofy person from what I can tell. So let's just but yeah, you guys, hope you guys get inspired to do a Bad Bunny party. You guys can do it for your birthday, you guys can do it for your weddings, you guys can do it for baby showers, you guys can do it for any occasion that you guys want. If you want a Bad Bunny wedding, by all means go ahead. Like, the husband opinion doesn't even matter. This is your party, you know, this is your wedding. Whatever he says, it don't matter. He might be your husband or your future husband. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and without any further ado, let's get started, shall we? Alright, so to start this party off, we're gonna need a lot of table covers. Well, not really, we're actually gonna need only 3. So I decided to go for a very hot pink and purple. So we're gonna put the hot pink table covers on the side, and the purple one is actually gonna go in the center. And with that being said, let's start with our little background. But anyways, this is how the background should look like. As you can see, we have the color purple in the middle and then the sides pink. And now we're gonna continue with the next step, which is to bring my famous curtains that I use almost every time now. So we're gonna do like 1 curtain on each side, and then we'll go from there. Okay, but that's how it should look like when you finish. And then I'm gonna show you how to do this really cute bunnies that you see right here. Which, if you know about Bunny, like, you should know that this is his basically icon. Like, everyone knows him for this bunny right here. Mine got a little bit chunky though. I mean, he was in quarantine with me, but it doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, it's a bunny. So I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm gonna show you how to make them. They're like really simple and just like, okay, I'm gonna shut up now. Okay, so in order to do the bunny, you're gonna need a foam board this big, and then you're gonna get one whole bunny out of this. It should look something like this. Actually, I did free-handed this whole bunny right here. Once you have the main shape, you're gonna cut it with an X-Acto knife. It should look something like this. So to make it pretty, we're gonna use this paper that I got from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, it's very holographic and it kind of matches the curtains that we have in the background. So this is how it's gonna look like. Sorry for the glare. Also, don't forget to add the little details, which are like the little eyes that are kind of like a little cross and the open mouth. So we're gonna cut out with the X-Acto knife. And again, also be very careful because you don't want to rip the actual paper. And it should look something like this once you cut out the little details and like once it's fully finished.
Día no las deja brillar, una asesina lo mata con perreo. No sé cómo todavía no salía en un video. Ella está casi.
Okay guys, so the next step is to actually blow some balloons, and these are gonna go like right in the center of where this bunny is. But anyways, we're gonna do that and then we're gonna continue. Okay, so for the next step, we're gonna be using a lot of ribbon. We're gonna simply cut like really long pieces of ribbon and we're gonna attach it to the ceiling. And that will give like the illusion that we have some balloons. Obviously, when you throw the party, it doesn't look bad if you only have like the ribbons itself. But if you are taking photos, that is the illusion that you're gonna give out, that you have tons of balloons hanging in the ceiling, even though we're doing this like at a cheaper price. But for the last thing that we're gonna do is that we're gonna like hang these letters to create the most famous quote of his, which is Yo Perreo Sola. I decided to do them black, but you can do them any color that you want. You can also add glitter to them. I was gonna add glitter, but then I got a little bit lazy. We're just gonna put that like in the background, and I think that we should be set for this party. Okay, so this is how it should look like. And for the last thing that we're gonna do, which obviously if you've been here for a while, you know that this is not a party without our magical lights. So we're just gonna like turn this on.
No quiero anillo ni ese ojea. Si soltera no quiere estar amarrada en la suya con N-O-T-A y T-R-O-P-A. Yo sé que se va. No quiero anillo ni ese ojea.
So that was it, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below, please, because that would be amazing. And also, have you guys heard Adele's new album? Because I'm like, oh my god, I thought that I couldn't cry anymore. She brought it out, like she brought out my tears, like they were there. Just give it that little push. But anyways, you guys, I was very excited for that album to finally come out, and if you guys want me to do like an Adele inspired party tutorial, I'm so down for that. Like, you're just gonna have broken hearts everywhere. I wish you nothing but the best for the upcoming holidays. I hope that you're with your loved ones and that you cherish them very much. And also don't forget to be safe more than anything. Don't forget to wear your face mask even if you're vaccinated. And if you're vaccinated, congrats to you. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. And yeah, enjoy the holidays. Bye!